Hello everyone, this is how to factory reset a Tilgin HG2381 UK router. So let's see whether we can get the lights on how they are at the moment. So we've got the power, which is flashing red and orange, the internet light, which is is solid red. LAN is not on because I've got nothing plugged in. Wireless is green because it's broadcasting Wi-Fi, and then the final ones are off. So this is not plugged into anything, so that's kind of what I'd expect for that anyway. So get your universal reset and eject tool, which is otherwise known as a paperclip that's been bent out of shape, and there's the reset button there. What I'll do is I will not press it until I tell you. I will also let you see the front to see what the lights are doing. So I'm not pressing that yet, and I'll let you know when I am. So I'm going to press it now. So that was 10 seconds, and then all the lights came on, and now I've taken out the reset pin. We'll wait for it to boot up. Nothing like a really slow router to start up. That looks like a good start. We've got a flashing power light again, and hopefully the Wi-Fi light will go green in a moment. There we go, wireless light has gone green, so it's now started up. And what I'm just looking for on a wireless scanner app, which I'm running on my other phone, is the default wireless name to appear in the list, just so I'm sure that it has factory reset and has started up again. Yep, there we go, XBDR, Hyperoptic 1 gig fibre. So that's how you factory reset this Hyperoptic Tilgin router. You hold down the reset button on the back for about 10 seconds until all the lights on the front come on. Once that's happened, take your reset pin out of the back and wait for the router to reboot. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If it has, it would be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. You don't need to have the notifications turned on, but the subscriber numbers really do help. Thank you.